with all the decorations and stuff stores got to sell. See the bargain hunters on target at the door. To get a discount widescreen, they stomp it to the floor. They say it's Christmas time again this year. What if I told you a secret you could tell? The secret is you with us now. Come Emmanuel, Emmanuel. Electric window candles, the dark time of the year. Giant blow-up snowman decks the yard with cheer. Outside bells are ringing, Salvation Army band. We rush and toss a quarter right past the homeless man. He says it's Christmas time again this year. What if I told you a secret you could tell? The secret is you with us now. Come Emmanuel, Emmanuel. I can hear the angels singing loud and clear, singing out from heaven down. Emmanuel is here. So have a happy holiday by a family tree. Remember baby Jesus in his nativity, and the star at Bethlehem lights a soldier's way on a